Hello guys, my name is Tariq and I'm here to teach you Urdu language. If you want to learn Urdu language, so please subscribe my channel. And today I'm going to teach you Urdu basic sentences. In this lesson, you will learn most common Urdu phrases and sentences. You can speak Urdu through basic sentences. So let us start. First sentence. Don't shout. Don't shout. How can we say in Urdu? Repeat after me. First you have to listen carefully, then repeat after me. Cheekho mat. Cheekho mat. Cheekho mat. Another way to say don't shout. Chillao mat. Chillao mat. Chillao mat. There are two ways to say don't shout. First, cheekho mat. Second, chillao mat. Next, don't eat my brain. How can we say in Urdu, don't eat my brain? मेरा दिमाग मत खाओ. मेरा दिमाग मत खाओ. Don't eat my brain. Don't eat my brain. मेरा दिमाग मत खाओ. If you think I speak too fast, so listen carefully, because you have to understand my speaking. Okay, if I speak in Urdu, you have to understand. Okay, मेरा दिमाग मत खाओ. मेरा दिमाग मत खाओ. मेरा दिमाग मत खाओ. Okay, so repeat after me. मेरा दिमाग मत खाओ. Next, improve your writing. Improve your writing. How can we say in Urdu? अपनी लिखाई. अपनी लिखाई. लिखाई means writing. Okay, अपनी लिखाई दुरुस्त करो. दुरुस्त mean improve. Okay, अपनी लिखाई दुरुस्त करो. अपनी लिखाई दुरुस्त करो. Next, don't stare at me. Don't stare at me. How can we say in Urdu? मुझे घूरो मत. मुझे घूरो मत. मुझे घूरो मत. मुझे घूरो मत. Repeat after me. मुझे घूरो मत. मुझे घूरो मत. Okay, listen carefully. I will repeat one more time, but I will repeat only Urdu. You have to understand what am I saying. Okay? मेरा दिमाग मत खाओ. चीखो मत. अपनी लिखाई दुरुस्त करो. चिल्लाओ मत. मुझे घूरो मत. So have you understood what did I say? If you don't, so please repeat this lesson again and again till you have learned all the sentences. Okay, next, don't look at me. Don't look at me. मुझे देखो मत. मुझे देखो मत. Don't look at me. मुझे देखो मत. Don't look at me. मुझे देखो मत. मुझे देखो मत. Okay, next, don't think. Don't think. सोचो मत. सोचो मत. How can we say don't think in Urdu? सोचो मत. सोचो. सोचो मत. सोचो मत. Next, don't do this. Don't do this. ये मत करो. Don't do this. ये मत करो. Don't do this. ये मत करो. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. मेरे साथ ये मत करो. मेरे साथ ये मत करो. Don't do this to me. मेरे साथ ये मत करो. मेरे साथ ये मत करो. Don't do this to me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. How can we say in Urdu? मेरा पीछा मत करो. मेरा पीछा मत करो. मेरा पीछा मत करो. Don't follow me. मेरा पीछा मत करो. Next, don't make me fool. How can we say in Urdu, don't make me fool? मुझे उल्लू मत बनाओ. मुझे उल्लू मत बनाओ. Repeat after me. मुझे उल्लू मत बनाओ. Next, don't mind. Don't mind. बुरा मत मानो. बुरा मत मानो. Next, I am on the way. I am on the way. मैं रास्ते में हूँ. मैं रास्ते में हूँ. मैं रास्ते में हूँ. So one more time, one by one, I'm repeating all the sentences. You have to listen carefully, but this time I will read only Urdu. Okay, you have to focus on my pronunciation and imitate me. Okay, चीखो मत. चिल्लाओ मत. मेरा दिमाग मत खाओ. अपनी लिखाई दुरुस्त करो. मुझे घूरो मत. मुझे देखो मत. सोचो मत. ये मत करो. मेरे साथ ये मत करो. मेरा पीछा मत करो. मुझे उल्लू मत बनाओ. बुरा मत मानो. मैं रास्ते में हूँ. Now it's time for golden words. This one is my favorite one. I apply this sentence in my life and I never regret, because I always apply this strategy in my life. Let's see. Okay, let's start. I always feel happy. You know why? Because I don't expect anything from anyone. Expectation always hurt. I always feel happy. मैं हमेशा खुशी महसूस करता हूँ. मैं हमेशा खुश रहता हूँ. I always feel happy. मैं हमेशा खुश रहता हूँ. You know why? जानते हो क्यों? Because, क्योंकि. I don't expect anything from anyone. क्योंकि मैं किसी से कोई उम्मीद नहीं लगाता. क्योंकि एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑलवेज हर्ट. क्योंकि उम्मीदें हमेशा दिल दुखाती हैं. उम्मीदें हमेशा दुख पहुंचाती हैं, तकलीफ़ देती हैं. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू बी हैप्पी, सो प्लीज़ don't expect anything from anyone. If you expect anything from anyone, you will surely get hurt. Okay, so I hope share my video with your friends and subscribe this channel. If you want to learn Urdu, if you want to learn more phrases, more sentences, so just subscribe this channel. I'm here for you to solve your problems. I'm here to solve your problems, and I'm here to teach you Urdu language. If you have any question, so please let me know in the comments box. If you have any problem, so please let me know. If you face any problem related to Urdu language, so you can ask me. You're free to ask any question. I will answer your question in the comments box. Don't worry about this. Okay? So please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Even share on your Facebook timeline. Okay, so I will be happy if you share this video on your Facebook or WhatsApp. Okay, so assalamu alaikum, take care, hasta la vista.